I came up with this idea of a different way to look at chord progressions. It's nothing revolutionary, but in a sense, instead of just looking at chord progressions as their numerical function within your key, we can look at chord progressions or the chords in the sequence of the progression as a sequence of chord qualities instead of numbers. So, and not even instead of numbers, but in this context, numbers come second because we are following a specific order, specific pattern of chord qualities. So, for example, if I had like writer's block or something, and I couldn't find or think of a progression for a song, I would just think of what I want the first chord to be, at least, right? Probably a minor chord. These numbers still represent the options that you would have in a diatonic key and all of their different permutations. So within one key, the 1 is always major, the 4 is always major, the 5 is major. So with whatever combination we can have with a major chord, a minor chord, and a major chord within one key, that is what we have with this specific part of the Bible, the Chord Progression Bible. So I'm just going to play around with some of these options to see which one I like. Um, Major, minor, major. Let's see. Let's start with the 5, 3, 4. I like that. It's different. Let's do 5, 6, 2, 3, 6. I'm not feeling that one today. Let's start with the 4. And one thing that you will have to experiment on your own with is how many beats each one of these chords get. And of course, you can combine them in whichever way you want. But again, just something for people to have when they are stuck, when they want to write a song. 4, 3, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 1. 1, 6, 5. You have to look around, explore, experiment. So I just played, what was that? Number 6, 1, 6, 5. And my ear is telling me to go to the 4 to complete it. Your ear might say that it is complete with just the 3 chords, and you'll figure something out. I'm going to use that one, the 1, 6, 5, and let's see if I can find the beat. this and then I'm gonna go. All right, that was the first Freestyle Friday. We'll see how it goes in the coming weeks, and I hope that you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.